Welcome, dear. This is Dr. Ali. Welcoming you at Academically. Let us look at what they don't teach us at research school. The 5 don'ts of PhD research. On 10th November 2019, my 25th research scholar defended his PhD thesis. Over the period of last 15 years, having guided 25 PhD candidates with equal number of publication and patents, I could learn, or rather I could discover several research intricacies which I could not locate in the literature. Being blessed with a long, pragmatic and rewarding experience, I thought I could contribute something for the aspiring research scholars that would make their research endeavor comfortable, interesting and enjoyable rather than stressful, depressing. Although I could complete my own PhD in second attempt within the stipulated period of 5 years, but it was only after learning my previous mistake of losing 5 years when I first registered for PhD and could not inch beyond literature review. And I think that was more of a learning experience, which later led to finish some of my scholars' PhD in just a period of 3 years with good quality of published work and patents and copyrights. When I look back 20 years down the memory lane, critically analyzing the situations, circumstances and my own behavior as a research scholar, I find some of the most important factors as don'ts. Repeat, don'ts, which must be considered by a novice researcher while working for PhD. I will just briefly narrate those 5 don'ts to you. The first, don't be over-ambitious about your PhD contributions. You must have experienced the moment you decide your title with your supervisor, you get excited, you get a feeling that you are going to shake the mountain, as if you are going to contribute something to the knowledge which never has been making the horse fly to the moon beyond the ground. A delta X contribution to the knowledge is the major contribution by you. So don't be over ambitious about your PhD contribution. Second, don't enter the uncharted zone for PhD research topic. Move from known to unknown. Don't enter uncharted zone for your research topic. Initially, the new area, while you are doing the literature review, new area appears to be very fascinating. But then, though there is no time-bound activity as a PhD research, you should make it time-bound. Don't enter into uncharted zone for your PhD topic. so that you could finish that within stipulated period of time, whatever you decide, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Third, don't expect everything from the supervisor. Don't expect everything from your supervisor. I have given a star there. For that, I am going to discuss with you in a separate video role of a supervisor and your behavior as a research scholar. But at this moment, remember this third don't. Don't expect everything from supervisor, because the best teachers are those who show you where to look rather than telling you what to see. The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. That is you to see. So don't expect everything from supervisor. Fourth, don't doubt your abilities. The moment you have come to research endeavor, see that you are equally capable. You are you. Don't doubt your abilities. Believe in yourself, your abilities and your own potential. You must have self-belief. Never let self-doubt hold you captive. You are worthy of all that you dream of and you hope for. The fifth don't waste your time in overthinking. Overthinking leads to negativity. Overthinking the process will kill any career in the creative space. Mind, you are a researcher, you are in the creative space. Overthinking will lead you to nothing. So, just you have to do it rather than think it. So, simple conclusion. And the only one important do out of these 5 don'ts, only one important do keep reviewing the 5 points whenever you feel lost. Don't be overambitious about your PhD contributions. Don't enter in the uncharted zone for PhD research topic. Don't expect everything from the supervisor. Don't doubt your abilities and don't waste your time in overthinking. Decide the target and start hitting the target. Thank you. Happy researching. This is Dr. Ali signing off. Please do visit our website ajuali.com. Do give your comments and feedback, and if you feel, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.